Welcome back to Space Facts on Science with D. Today, we're going to talk about a spectacular event called the solar eclipse. Well, what is a solar eclipse? A solar eclipse is when the sun, the moon, and the earth all align. When the moon passes in front of the sun, it casts a shadow on the earth. When the moon is in between the earth and the sun, it is in new moon phase. The moon won't appear large enough to make a total solar eclipse, but some lucky viewers will get to see the ring of fire, the glowing ring around the moon. Remember, it's never safe to look directly at the sun, so either buy some special eclipse glasses or make a pinhole projector out of 2 pieces of paper. Simply poke a hole in a piece of paper, then you'll see the eclipse on the other side. Have fun safely viewing the eclipse and have fun learning. Bye!